How to make a frog hotel for free.
So I'm at a building site, so this is where you get your pipes from. So you just have to ask permission before you go looking around. Wear your suitable PPE gear and boots and all that sort of thing, or else they won't allow you to go into their site. Or you ask the people if you are allowed to get it, and they might throw it over the fence for you. But yeah, these are good pipes for frogs to live in. But yeah, only the tree frogs will live in these ones. So this is probably a good size for screaming tree frogs and Phylochloras maybe. Yeah. So I suppose a small green tree frog can fit in. And something that Ricky's left behind. This will make a good pot to. Here's the other end of it. I'll make a pond out of this one. So I hit the jackpot. So $5 of fuel and quite a few frog hotels already. All for free. So yeah, you just have to go to a building site, which are all over Western Sydney now, building sites. There'll be one in your local area somewhere for sure. And to make a frog hotel will cost you nothing at all. Yeah, so I'm at my brother's house in the horse paddock. Here's the horse. And just collecting some rocks for the frog hotels and the frog pond that we're making out of for free, out of for no money. So there's a heap of rocks in the paddock. Yeah, so you can get free rocks from horse paddocks because horses don't eat rocks. So these are called river rocks or lucky stones. So yeah, you just get these from landscape supplies, but you can get them for free in horse paddocks because horses don't eat rocks. I'll get another bag. Yeah, that's it.
Bluey's on the rubbish pile.
Look at these. So these are good.
Oh, they're old terracotta sewer pipes.
Yeah, they're good for putting plants into.
And what do you call a frog terrarium thing or something?
Yeah, frog hotel.
Yeah, frog
so they
hotel.
can live in these as well. So you can put them that way or the other way. So I can have these, huh?
Yeah, they hold the moisture, eh?
Yeah. And they look good. Terracotta, I like the look of terracotta.
Nice.
Bit better than and you could even put a downpipe in there or whatever.
Yeah, look better than PVC, I guess. Alrighty, beautiful.
I'll take one.
It's only a rubbish pile, that. See? Old tyres.
Might even
paper bark branches. Tea tree.
So the whole process of this filming is to show everyone that anyone can afford to make a frog hotel. So I'll put mine in the front yard. It's a blue drum cut in half, and I'll put plants in, and I even got a terracotta pot off me brother that he had in the paddock. So I've got the dirt from the aviary and the rocks from the paddock, horse paddock, and some PVC from building sites. So it costs nothing at all. So no one's got an excuse, they can all make one of these. It's not that hard. You can decorate as much as you want, but I'm not decorating because I'm not very fashionable. So yeah, but blue is nice to me. So yeah. So these are some of the pipes. So I got a larger pipe, and I thought, well, this is a good way to hold them into place, is just to stick them into the larger pipe so it stands up by itself. And the dirt from the aviary, ready to go. Just filled a few of them up from the aviary, so it's good soil for the plants that are going in there. So I have to fill gravel a third of the way to keep the water clear for the frogs and stabilise the conduit pipe. So there's the frog hotel. Just put these bits on, and because everything is recycling, you've got to wash it just in case there's nasty chemicals on. Dirt just came from the aviary.
Every pipe needs a hole drilled in it, so when it rains, it doesn't fill up with water.
So I just put it in a taro plant at the back, and these are bromeliads. These are frog friendly ones. They're from overseas though, but prefer natives. Natives are better, but these hold little reservoirs inside where frogs live and hold water. So just put them around the edges and then put some rocks. Get some more pups from the backyard. So a few more bromeliads from the backyard. So the pups are easy there on the side there, you just cut them off. Might leave this one on. A couple of these rocks, put them around. And then there was a fish tank getting chucked out and they had these pebbles and then spread them around. So that's the first one. That's it, you might have to compact the soil later, give it a big hosing, and ready for frogs to live in there. Not hard, anyone can do this. They can just do it with a bucket.